Good morning, everyone. I welcome all of you in today's lesson. Today is the lesson 3 German sentence structure, how we make a sentence in German, and how we conjugate the regular and helping verbs in German language. Let's see German sentence structure. How we make a simple sentence in German. Subject, verb, object. Normally, we had a subject at the first position, second position is verb, then object. And verb always conjugate with the subject. Like in English, I say, I have, he has. And if the verb come at the first position, then verb, subject, object is always the question mark, and that is for ja and Frage. English में we say yes, nein question. And if any वे Frage, but the W question, WH family, then WH family come at the first position, then verb, then subject. So normally we see we have a verb at the second position. Verb will always conjugate with the subjects. And how it get conjugate, let's see. And how we going to make sentence. Like, as we already know verb, what is verb? Verb is the action word of the sentence. Like lernen means to learn. हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं I learn, he learns. हिंदी में बोलते हैं पढ़ना. I learn, he learns. With he we add s or es. And हिंदी में जब हम पढ़ना बोलते हैं, then we remove न and add ता ती ते as per the subject. Like मैं पढ़ता हूँ, वो पढ़ती है, वो पढ़ते. In German also we change the verb as per the subjects. Like regular verb conjugation. We remove en at the end. This en we remove, and with ish we add e. With do we add st. With as we add t. Where same. Where and this remains same. This add t. So we remove en and add e, which become learner. Then learned. Then learned. Lernen. Learned. One more time. How we conjugate the regular verb? Remove en and add t, e with ish, with st with do, t with as, where and gz remain same, t with e. Let's see some more example. Like lernen, wohnen, kommen, spielen, machen. And you can see take the example of heißen as well. Remove en, add e, st, t, this remains same. The same rule for all the regular verbs, and in German more than 90% verbs are regular verbs. Ich lerne, du lernst, learn, learn, lernen. Wohne, wohnst, wohnen, wohnt, komme, kommst, kommt, kommen. Spiele, spielst, spielt, spielen, spielt, spielt. Mache, magst, mag. Machen, macht, machen. Let's see some more example. If the verb end with s, ss, beta sign and z after removing en, then we are not going to add st with do, we add only t. Like heiße, and here we add t, heist. This and this remains same. Sen, heist, plansen, pflanzt. So all the verbs end with beta sign, z, 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 z. We are not going to add st with do. We are going to add only t. And if the verbs end with d or t after removing en, then we add one more e. Like with do we add est. Findest, findet, here also we extra. Here also. Arbeiter, arbeitest. Arbeiter means to walk, finden means to find, and to water means to answer. So apart from that, we have two helping verbs, sein and haben. Their conjugation is bit different, that we need to learn only. So in the German language we have a 3 helping verb, but in A1 we have only 2. So today we learn only 2. Sein, to be. And haben, to have. Ich bin, Du bist, sie ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind, ich habe, du hast, hat, haben. As you see, they are not following the same pattern as a regular verb, so we need to learn it. Ich bin means I am, du bist you are, sie ist, he is, ist, and wir sind we are. Now see some of the example how we are going to make a sentence like I am called Thomas. So first we have a subject, then verb, then object. Ich heiße. So verb is heißen. With ich we add only e. So ich heiße Thomas. She lives in Switzerland. So lives wohnen conjugate with sie. So sie wohnt in der Schweiz. Verb conjugate with this, then the subject verb. I live in France. Ich live. Wohne, because with ich we have E in Frankreich. He plays guitar. With we remove E and add T. Spielt Gitarre. I am sometimes lazy. I am. Ich bin manchmal, sometimes faul, lazy. He is very sporty. Is sehr sportlich. My brother. My brother is the third person. He. So we write mein Bruder works arbeitet in einer Schule. Conjugate as per the as. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any concern, just write us below. Have a nice day.